The 2026 Volvo EX90 remains Volvo's flagship three-row electric SUV, but the model's story for 2026 is more about software, refinement, and wider availability than wholesale redesign. Volvo has pushed routine over-the-air updates and infotainment improvements across its range for 2026, and the EX90 benefits from those ongoing software rollouts alongside incremental hardware refinements that sharpen its safety and driver assist capabilities. On the outside, the EX90 carries the clean, minimalist Scandinavian lines Volvo introduced with the model: tall greenhouse, distinctive Thor's hammer lighting, and a sculpted fastback-like rear that masks a roomy 6- or 7-seat interior. It's a large vehicle. Volvo quotes generous cargo capacity, up to roughly 67.6 cubic feet with seats folded, and a towing capability near 4,850 pounds when properly equipped, so buyers get true family SUV practicality in an electric package. Under the skin, the EX90's electrical architecture is substantial. Volvo specifies a 111 kilowatt-hour battery, about 107 kilowatt-hours usable, and twin-motor layouts with power outputs that vary by trim. Performance variants push the highest figures. Official Volvo technical sheets list motor outputs and charging performance for the twin-motor and twin-motor performance versions, confirming the EX90 is aimed at the long-range, high-torque end of the premium three-row market. That pack and drivetrain translate into strong real-world numbers. Independent outlets and Volvo both cite an EPA/WLTP style range in the neighborhood of 300 to 310 miles for long-range variants, and the twin-motor performance EX90 posts brisk acceleration figures, 0 to 60 miles per hour around the mid-4-second mark on performance trims. Volvo also supports high-rate DC charging, up to 250 kW on compatible chargers, with published typical 10 to 80% times on high-power stations in the 30-minute area depending on conditions and charger. Inside, the EX90 is a showcase for Volvo's idea of premium tech-driven comfort: a large portrait 14.5-inch Google-based infotainment screen, a digital instrument cluster, high-quality materials, and available Bowers & Wilkins audio options. Safety and autonomy hardware are a headline feature. EX90s ship with an extensive sensor suite. Volvo calls it safe space technology, including lidar on certain builds plus upgraded driver monitoring and active safety systems, though some advanced features have required staged software activation after launch. Pricing and market position put the EX90 squarely in premium EV territory. Volvo's US listings for current model years show starting MSRPs in the roughly $80,000 to $85,000 band for twin-motor plus/ultra trims. Regional and spec differences apply, and UK/European pricing sits notably higher when options and higher trims are chosen. The EX90's chief rivals are other three-row or large luxury EVs. Think Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV, Tesla Model X, Rivian R1S, and Cadillac's larger EV offerings, where Volvo's selling points are Scandinavian design, a strong safety package, and family-friendly practicality.